Your heart isn't tired by accident, and it isn't heavy for no reason. Something has been slowly draining it, and most people never realize what it is until the weight becomes unbearable. If you've been waking up feeling empty, praying but feeling nothing, smiling on the outside while something feels off on the inside, this is not random, and it's not because you're weak. But before I tell you the real reason your heart feels this way, there's something you need to understand first. Because if you miss this, you'll keep blaming yourself for the wrong thing. Bismillah. Let's talk about something most reminders never say clearly. A heavy heart doesn't always come from pain, and it doesn't always come from sin. Sometimes it comes from distance that grows so slowly you don't notice it happening. Not distance from people, distance from Allah. And the dangerous part is this: that distance doesn't announce itself. It feels normal. It feels busy. It feels like life. Your heart was created to remember Allah naturally. When that remembrance becomes rushed, distracted, or delayed, the heart doesn't scream. It just gets tired, and tired hearts feel heavy. Think about the moments when the weight is strongest. Late at night, when everything finally goes quiet, your phone is in your hand, but you don't even know why you're scrolling anymore. Your chest feels tight. Your mind won't slow down. You want peace, but you don't know where to find it. That heaviness didn't come from nowhere. Or during prayer, your body stands. Your lips move, but your heart feels far away. And when you finish, instead of relief, you feel guilt for not feeling connected. That heaviness isn't punishment. It's a signal. Here's the truth most people misunderstand. Allah does not leave your heart. Your heart gets heavy because you've been carrying life on your own. Without realizing, you stopped placing it back with Him. And this doesn't happen through big moments. It happens through small ones. When silence feels uncomfortable, so you fill it with noise. When dua becomes rushed instead of rested in. When remembrance becomes habit, not presence. When you keep saying later to reflection, until later never comes. Over time, the heart fills up, not with sin, but with weight it was never meant to carry alone. And hearts were never designed to survive without remembrance. Allah tells us something powerful. And whoever turns away from my remembrance indeed, he will have a constricted life. A constricted life doesn't always look difficult from the outside. Sometimes it looks successful, busy, productive, but inside, the heart feels tight, restless, heavy. And here is the mercy in all of this. That heaviness is not a curse. It is an invitation. It is your heart asking to be returned to where it belongs. Slower, closer, more honest. Allah allows the wait, so you'll notice that comfort was never meant to come from the dunya alone. And the moment you stop running from the feeling, the moment you stop numbing it with distraction, and instead, you turn toward Allah with it, that's when the weight begins to lift. Not suddenly, not dramatically, but gently, because Allah does not demand strength from a tired heart. He responds to sincerity. Sometimes healing doesn't begin with doing more. It begins with stopping, with admitting, my heart feels heavy, and I don't know why. That honesty itself is closeness. So the next time that weight settles in your chest, don't escape it. Don't shame yourself. Don't drown it in noise. Sit still for 1 minute. No phone, no rehearsed words. Just say, "Oh Allah, my heart is heavy. I'm bringing it back to you." And sit with that. Because hearts don't feel heavy because they're broken. They feel heavy because they've been away too long. And they feel light again the moment they're allowed to return. If this reminder reached you when your heart needed it, stay connected. More reminders are coming for hearts that have been carrying too much for too long.